Welcome back to Yoga and You. This is Dhivya, a freelance yoga instructor based in Chennai. In this video, I am going to be demonstrating Badhakonasana or butterfly pose. This posture is great to improve flexibility in your inner thighs and opening your hips. So if you have really tight hips, then do practice this posture. It also helps to soothe out any menstrual discomfort or any digestive complaints. So now, with no further ado, let's go and see how to do this posture.
Begin to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times. Now, if you are a beginner, slowly bring your elbows down to the mat and rest in this position and make sure to breathe so that you are getting used to the stretch which is in your groin and your hips area. But to intensify the stretch even more, gently stretch your arms all the way forward and put your forehead down to the mat. It is going to hurt at the initial stages, but make sure you practice it every single day. Once you want to release the posture, gently inhale, slide your arms all the way back, roll your shoulders and relax.
I'm going to be demonstrating the basic chair pose, Utkatasana. So this posture is great to tone your leg muscles, basically your thigh muscles, and also great for your lower back if done correctly. So let's see how to do this posture.
Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. So make sure your knees are getting sore and burned so that the posture is effective on your back and onto your thighs. Stay in this posture for quite a few breaths, and once you're ready, gently inhale and stand up tall and nice and relax.
Twisted chair pose or revolved chair pose. In this posture, we are basically going to involve our spine movement as well. So it's going to be with a twist. So let's move on to the posture.
Now begin to sit in chair pose, but this time place your torso completely onto your thighs by extending your arms all the way forward, and place your palms really wide and nice and onto the mat so that you gain some balance. And once you're ready, just bring your left elbow onto the right side of your thigh so that you create a nice twist onto your spine by bringing your arms together in Namaste position. Now to release the posture, bring your palms down to the mat and extend your arms all the way forward by placing your torso again onto your thighs. And slowly as you inhale, bring your arms up and your spine straight as you stand up tall and nice and relax.